Yes.
ACE po kasi it means activate confidence to empower po talaga, kaya ACE. So ginawa ko na lang po siyang ACE. And because I wanted to empower.
You want to empower?
Yeah, I wanted to empower other people through my songs. So, yun po yung ginawa kong main track for my album.
So, gaano kalapit si Zayla doon sa kantang Ace?
Parang binis ko po siya sa experience ko. I had a friend po kasi, he called me an ace. So, sabi ko, why not do it as a song po? So, parang sinabi niya kasi, I do everything, almost everything on my own po. Kasi soloist nga po ako. So, sabi niya, parang daw po akong ace. So, ayun po, doon po nag-start, kaya ako po siya ginawa po.
Tapos kanina nabanggit na you're the first solo P-pop artist na nag-perform recently sa Watermount Festival, di ba?
Yes po.
Pwedeng, ano yung hindi mo malilimutan doon? May na-meet ka bang international mga singers? Ano yung memorable doon sa performance mo sa Watermount?
First, yung performance po, for sure. Because that was my first big stage din po. And it was so fun kasi first Watermount na siya here in Manila. And I haven't really tried it din sa Korea before. So, pero pinaka naging memorable po was I met Jessie kasi she was the main act for the second day for Waterbomb. So yun po. She also talked to me before. Sabi niya, you're so skinny. Sabi niya sa akin ganun. And then she touched me here po. I was like, I'm not gonna wash this. Pero nung bumalik po ako sa Waterbomb, na-wash out din siya. So. Pero yun po yung pinaka-memorable for me because siya po yung pinaka-gusto ko ding ma-meet during that time po.
So yun nga, pwede mong, ano yung feeling na ma-meet mo yung personal yung taong iniidolo mo for the first time?
It was very surreal po because I've never really admired other artists from Korea much. Because I was from the US po, so parang mas ko doon. And then, na-meet ko nga po siya. Nung Waterbomb po kasi we had interviews then. So, inas po nila, sino yung gusto kong ma-meet? And I always say Jessie. And then, nangyari po siya. So, very, very happy po ako talaga that time.
Ayun. Thank you, Zayla. And
thank
congratulations.
Maraming salamat, Romel Gonzalez. Ang next na magtatanong ay laging umiiyak. Mula sa ABS-CBNnews.com, Josh Mercado.
Hello po. And I wanna know bakit Lockhart yung title ng album.
My name po is Zayla Lockhart. And then it came from there po, sa last name ko. And we decided po kasi na parang something concept about, personally sa akin po. Kasi yung songs is more of like, sinulat ko. So parang dun po nag-start yun. And then Lockhart, because I'm locked in sa goals and yung gusto kong achieve in life.
You mentioned before na yung songs mo or ikaw, gusto mo ng women empowerment.
Yeah.
Gaano kahalaga sa iyo yun? May parating yung message na ganyan?
Very important because I'm a woman myself, so it's very important for me. And you know, sa days po kasi ngayon, parang mas nagkakaroon kami ng voice, women. So parang gusto ko nga pong gamitin yung platform ko para ma-empower pa yung mga tao. Not just women, but like, kasi woman nga po ako, so parang mas prioritize ko yung, gusto ko maging bosses ng mga babae po na hindi kaya magsalita po for their own po.
Last na, your reaction na parang kinu-compare ka or parang may hawag ka raw kayo sa Dara Park? Your reaction to that? Thank you.
I get that a lot, but I take it as a compliment po. Because hello, that's a Dara Park who doesn't want to compare. But she's really good. Kung through face lang po, mas maganda siya, I think. And more talented. We have our own beauty and talent. Nasa amin lang. We stand on our own po. But I'm really glad every time they compare me to her. Because she's a Dara Park.
Okay, thank you, Josh. And from Abante, Eminin and Abante Liling, Ray Pumaloy.
Teka sandali. Pinaghintay.
Hello po.
Oh, girl, parang pang-Asian tapos pwede rin pang US, Europe. May plano bang ganon?
Yes,
Kaya
that's the
ganito
goal.
yung concept, even the music video. So, pakibigyan kami ng detalye kung kailan ba to or paano ba siya. Meron na ba kayong collaboration sa mga record companies specifically in Korea or kung saan man?
For the music video po, it's already out on AK Prime Music YouTube channel, and we made this together with Prod Asia po. Si Miss Ray nandito po siya. That was a collaboration with them din po. And yun, tinulungan po niya ako yung concept po kasi na gusto ko is like yung tarot cards nga. And then lahat yung gusto naming ideas, ginawa po nila, tinulungan po nila kami gawa ng storyline, yung mga ganun po.
Kasi parang ang dami.
Hello, ayun. Kasi parang ang dami na rin mga ganyang style, no, na pang K-pop or something. Marami na rin grupo ng ganyan. So palagi mo paano ka lulusot. Though impressive naman at saka medyo interesting naman yung concept ng music video mo and yung packaging mo. Sa palagi mo, ano yung edge mo sa kanila? Kasi ngayon, puro grupo, di ba? 3, 5, ang dami, mga ganyan. Meron pang Bini, tapos meron pang ano. So, ano kaya yung pwede mong maging edge para mapansin kanila?
Sa people po kasi we just have a small community and konti lang po yung P-pop soloist and nagde-debut. And what set me apart, maybe I do everything on my own po. Like, I don't have any group members to like kahati po sa lines. So, parang ako po yung nag-rap, I dance on my own, I have my backup dancers, but I still sing alone. Wala pong tumutulong sa akin sa lines. So, I feel like yun po yung nakabukod po sa kanila.
You do most of the things din, ano? So, talented.
Yes, I wrote most of the songs din po sa album. So, that made me the composer of the songs din po.
Ilan yung na-compose mo na songs dito?
6 po. And then for 10 tracks po kasi I have 10 tracks sa album. And then I have 6 songs that I wrote. And then yung 4 songs po, other composer po. It's very easy.
Okay, mga dalawang question na lang. Sino kaya sa mga P-pop group natin ngayon ang parang bet mong magkaroon ng collaboration? Kasi si Sarah meron ng SB19, di ba?
Yes. I wanna do Ate Sarah Judy po. Pero if sa P-pop, I'd say Bini po. Because sila yung parang queens of P-pop. And then, or G22. Since medyo vibe po yung genre namin.
If ever na, ito last question, if ever nahingan ka ng composition mo, kanino mo kaya gustong ibigay dun sa dalawang nabanggit mo?
I feel like mas mag-work po yung genre ko sa G22 because we both have like a baddie genre. In lyrics then, it's more of empowerment, women empowerment po yung mga ganun.
Thank you, congratulations,
Thank you
and good
po.
luck.